More than 600,000 people in the U.S. have now died of COVID-19. That is greater than the population of Baltimore or Milwaukee. And it's about to equal the number of Americans who died from cancer in 2019. The rising death toll comes as vaccinations drastically drop across the U.S.
Time is ticking toward the president's goal. He says by the 4th of July, 70% of the adult population should have had at least one dose. Nicole Ford shows us where we stand and what's next.
When it comes to at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, nearly 73% of adult Pennsylvanians have got it. We were the 10th state to reach President Biden's vaccination goal, but the race to vaccinate is far from over. Despite the virus falling from the headlines, it's still at the front of health leaders' minds.
We still have COVID-19 circulating. People are still being hospitalized. People are still dying from COVID.
But many states across the country, including Pennsylvania, have reached a point in vaccinations where the people who want it got it.
COVID is going to be around. I mean, the reality is, at least in Allegheny County, it's not around very much. And I think that is a factor of either herd immunity from vaccination and a combination of infection.
Dr. Amy Crawford-Fauché says despite the good news, the virus won't end with herd immunity. There are pockets of unvaccinated people who are still spreading the infection and even dying.
It's not over until the whole world has beat it. And when you have such diversity of vaccination rates, I heard that if 3% of India is vaccinated, and we have such international travel from all around the world.
Allegheny Health Network has switched its tactics to targeting those small communities to reach the hesitant population. At UPMC, doctors are treating COVID-19 patients with antibodies and educating anyone who comes in the door to get vaccinated. While the mitigation orders are lifted, masks are near the end. We could be months before we put COVID-19 in the rearview mirror.
Here in Pennsylvania, the COVID-19 pandemic is not over, but that won't be declared by us. It would be declared by the World Health Organization.
Dr. Crawford-Fauché tells me it tends to be the young, healthy people who are hesitant about the vaccine. If you have any questions or concerns, you're encouraged to contact your doctor. Nicole Ford, KDKA News.